everyone. We are learning about Google Slides. And in our previous video, we learned about formatting and page setup option and all about this border and this alignment options and everything. In today's video, we are going to learn about all the inserting options. So how to insert images, links, videos, voice notes in our presentation. So today's video is going to be on this topic. If you haven't watched our previous video, just go and watch it. Now let's start the topic. So as I mentioned that we are going to learn about all the inserting tool, and this page is our home page or title page. So we will select another page and just click on new slide option. So here is the new slide. So as our topic is India and its cultural diversity, just add here costume diversity, traditional wear, or food diversity. Whatever you want you can add here. Different costumes in India. Okay, so this is my headline, and in this section I want to add image related to it. So how we can do that? The most simple method is, as you can see, here is the text box, image, insert image option, this one. But if this makes you confused, these symbols you can't identify, then not need to worry. Here is the insert option, just click on that option and you will get the list of things you can insert in your presentation. So let's start with the images. If you want to upload any image from computer, select this option, upload from computer, and it will take you to your files which are in computer, and then just select the image, which whatever image you want to add. Let's see, I want to add this image, and then click on open. So it's showing that creating image and the image is inserted, right? But we need different costumes in India, so we will click on the search the web. If you have the image in your drive, or if you have the URL means this simple link, then you can use this other option. But I don't have any of these, so let's click on the search the webs, and different costumes of India or dressing styles you can add whatever keyword you costumes in India and enter. So as you can see, traditional dresses of Kashmir has appeared, and this here are some Rajasthani dresses, some Bharatnatyami dresses. Let's see if we can get mm, this image. It's showing different female wears. So let's click on the insert, and that's it, your image has been inserted. So that's how you can insert image. So in this image we can see the different styles of, like, this is a, I think, Kashmiri lady, this is Rajasthani lady, then it's some from village. So yeah, this we can use, or you can use different images also. Insert image, search the web. Array, sorry, I'm pressing on that cross with huh. mm, Traditional wears. So traditional wears of India. Man, here are so many different things. No, just say years of India if we can get. I need a poster where we can get all ethnic dresses. Let's type. I want that image where all that Bengali and all things we can see. So we don't have anything. So let's let it be. Let's select that image. Again, if you can't find it there, you can just simply search it on Google. Cultural costume diversity in India, and let's see if we can get that image. Then it's awesome. We will just copy the URL and paste it over there. As you can see, we have option here now in the image form by URL. So if we find any image here, we will just copy that URL and then paste it there. So let's click on these images. It's loading. This one is much better. Here you can see Punjabis, South Indians, and Central Indian people. This one is also interesting. Let's see, this one is better. Okay, here you can see Punjabi, Bengali. So let's right click, copy image link. So URL is copied. Now go on the insert tab, image by URL, and then control V and insert. That's the simplest thing we can do. Okay, so that's how you can insert any image, and you can also even adjust it according to your need. Different costumes in India. Now let's assume I want to add something related video for this. Then click on this insert option, and here is the video option. Again, in this video option, it shows you YouTube by URL and Google Drive. And costumes of India, let's type costumes of India, and if we can get any video, it's searching. See how are the traditional dresses from all Indian states. So you can simply select this. If you want to play, then you have to click on this arrow and it will play. Let's select this video, and it's creating that video. And as you can see, we have inserted image plus video in this section. Again, you can adjust. So here is the image and this one is video, and in this format option it's showing the video playback option, like when should your video start, at the timing, and at the end of the time. So that's how you insert images and videos in your Google Slides.